My name is Keith Richards. I'm the founder of Taziki's. I'm a Birmingham resident for, 55 years, born and raised here. So when someone told me I'm nominated for the Game Changer Award, I didn't know there was one. So I thought, okay, because I don't do things to get acknowledgement. I do things because that's what I'm supposed to do. To me, I'll ask myself, what is a game changer? I love to play golf, so I would look at, Tiger Woods making a putt on, number 17 green, at TPC Sawgrass. That changed the course of what was going to happen. I think one of my favorite, my biggest initiative is our Hope program. It was created by me and a special needs job coach in Benson, Alabama. And she came to me one day and she said, I got a little project. And I said, what's that? She said, the kids are growing little cups, little solo cups of herbs. And I said, meet me tomorrow. I got a plan. And I went home, marinated about it, thought about it. I said, I'm going to create a program where I want to take a little bit of property and I want to grow herbs, not only for our restaurant, but I need to hire more people. I need to hire more special people. The cool thing about Hope is that it kind of works in two ways. It works for us because, again, we're hiring more special needs students, and then we have our in-house employees as well. But they grow the herbs for our restaurants. So when you come to Taziki's, you know that basil or that parsley or that oregano that you're eating in the potatoes or the signature pasta, whatever, is coming from the Hope Garden. There's a word that we use at Taziki's, and actually it's on the wall, in Greek is eudaimonia. And if you go to Greece, they say evdaimonia. And it means human flourishing. And it's not so much you're creating human flourishing for others, it's the feeling you have within yourself. What I want to do, and I continue to do, and I strive to do, and I may not hit it all the time, is give our employees that feel of evdaimonia or eudaimonia, that when they leave or when they go home, that they do have a feeling of nourishment, that they've been nourished. And how does that carry on to the next group? How does that serve the community? I think those are very important. And those are the words that we try to live by.